Welcome, let's talk about LUNC. Luna Classic is exploding very soon. Now, Binance are also preparing to start burning 100% because the past few months, Binance have been burning just 50%. And I believe if they start burning 100% from what they charge, 1.2%, and I believe this will help Luna Classic to burn more coin. And already, Luna Classic are also planning ways they can also see that LUNC will burn more coins. And Binance also are not giving up on Luna Classic coin. Now, some project they have at hand will help Luna Classic to really bounce back, because right now LUNC is not doing well. And of course, the major plan is to see that before the end of this year, Luna Classic can finish the year with a market cap of over $2 billion market cap. And if LUNC can also hit between 100 to 300% increase in price, already I'm very certain that by now LUNC, everybody know that LUNC cannot, okay, let me say might not hit 0.01 again this year 2023, because all this while we believe Luna Classic can hit 1 cent, but because of the recent fall and what Luna Classic have been passing through, and the burning is not really the way we think it's going to burn this year, I don't see LUNC reaching 1 cent again before the end of the year, because we still have about 8 months to go, though anything can happen. But for me, I think the maximum LUNC can do this year is to delete 10, okay, is to hit 1000%. And if LUNC can delete 10 this year, it's still a good thing for me. I mean, that's a huge profit for Luna Classic holders, okay, seeing LUNC deleting 10 before the end of the year. So maybe in 2024, Luna Classic can definitely hit 1 cent, because that is a major target for me, and that is a major target for some Luna Classic holders and traders. Now, LUNC staking have also increased massively, and I believe before the end of this year, we are going to see LUNC staking hitting over 1.2 to 1.5 trillion coins of Luna Classic coin. And also, what has been affecting Luna Classic is the problem of you all know this issue have already taken the headlines, and so many people immediately he was arrested. That was the beginning. LUNC started experiencing a lot of things. Okay, his arrest brought a lot of changes on Luna Classic negatively, and I don't know, but I believe very soon everything will be over. And I believe with Binance supporting this coin, let's see what goes on. And just recently we heard that Wells are also planning to join Luna Classic. Wells are planning a mega buy on Luna Classic. I mean, what millions of dollars. And if they can jump into Luna Classic, it's going to be a bonus for Luna Classic LUNC coin. So let's hope for the best. But for me, I still believe that yes, Luna Classic can still rise this year, but not the way we expected it to rise, especially when we can start getting some exchange listening and also supporting every project of Luna Classic coins. And if they can really support mostly the project of burning, I think it will definitely help this coin more. And one thing again is that this year is looking good for cryptocurrency. I mean, for the first time we saw BTC cross $30,000. You see, like I said this before, I said it in January. If you take a look at my videos in January, I said this year is a bullish year for crypto industry, and I told you that Bitcoin might end this year hitting back at its all-time price, and then BTC was trading between $16,000-$17,000, and today finally Bitcoin was able to hit almost 100% since then. And I believe BTC will also hit more, Bitcoin will also rise more, because I see Bitcoin heading towards $40,000 before the end of May. And I believe if BTC can reach that level of hitting $40,000 before the end of May, that will help cryptocurrency in general. Because I believe before the end of this year, I believe BTC can even hit an all-time price, or even hit $100,000 mark, yes, it is possible for BTC to reach 100,000, but let's just hope to see what will happening before the remaining days of the year. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. And kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.